We often work in collaboration at CCS in interdisciplinary projects. This one involved two departments, color materials design and fashion accessories design.
The goal of the project was to take this new material innovation that EILEEN Fisher is working with and see what can we create with this wonderful sustainable material. EILEEN Fisher is a North American apparel company. It is the absolute leader in sustainable thinking and sustainable way of delivering a product. The material that we ended up using was a type of felt, and what happens is that EILEEN Fisher invites clients to turn their used clothes in, and the material's then broken down and put in through this great, huge needle felting machine, and then in the end, the material is ready to be used for something else and a new kind of a project.
So this was very interesting because the students saw the process in the factory. They were able to see how colors were selected.
We had a chance to see how it went from the actual receiving of the materials into the material that we get to work with.
The students were given a range of felt blankets in a spectrum of different colors. Working with Aki, we gave the students the opportunity to decide how they wanted to use that fabric. The students designed artifacts, shoes, handbags, belts, and a range of other accessories. Other students chose to work with manipulating the fabric, recutting it, designing new seam constructions, designing combinations, relationships.
It was just an incredible learning experience that you can actually have a business model that works, that sustainability should be in the core of everything. That was like the biggest takeaway for the students, in my opinion.
The collaboration with EILEEN Fisher was just terrific. Their generosity, sharing their materials with us, and engagement with the students was fascinating. It was certainly very interesting for them to see the process firsthand.